Hey everybody, Leigh Goldstein here for 10-Minute Trades, and our members trade of the week this week was real easy and very traditional. Let me show you. Preliminary University of Michigan is a consumer sentiment and an inflation report, so it has two elements, and we recommended an ES breakout. That was one of our choices. Langford M from Anguilla, you could see that he was trading the ES futures. He made $325. In a matter of seconds, this candle shot down, hit his targets, took him out of the trade in an instant, and he had a profit of $325. Perfect setup using our recommendation in the trade room, and that's why University of Michigan is our traditional expected behavior from the trade event. Thank you, Langford M. from Anguilla, for sending us your trade screen. A nice $325 profit. An easy one this week. Members Trade of the Week. So thanks for watching, everyone, and I'll see you in the trade room. Take care.